What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a splash animation in Canva. If you'll find this useful guys and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you'll never miss out when I release more videos like this one. And also don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Now what I'm going to do in Canva here, I'm going to simply just search for videos, right? And I'm going to do this by creating a video. So I'm going to select video here and I'm going to simply click create a blank video so that I can have a blank canvas, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click elements here and I'm going to select some shapes. Let's use the round one for example. And I'm going to position this in the middle. And I'm going to change the color for the time being to green, right? Let's leave it like that. Then I'm going to go to images and let's find something like a pizza, right? Really nice. And I'm going to use this one for example. So I'm going to click it here onto my image and let me go back to my background shape here and just simply click on the colors. Now what I'm going to do, because I have the color of the pizza, I can utilize that color now. So I'm going to simply click, for example, let's use for example this color, which is good. And I'm going to simply drag my pizza into the middle. Now the next thing what I'm going to do guys, I am going to click on elements again and I'm going to simply type splash. And I'm going to click on the graphics here so that I can see various splashes. Now I'm going to choose this splash here, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to adjust the sizing of this. So let's make it like this big and I'm going to center this and I'm going to click on the colors and I'm going to give it the same color that I give to the background shape. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on position and I'm going to simply click backwards. So it is behind the image. Now what I'm going to do is just simply click anywhere on this Canva here and click show timing. And I'm going to a little bit change the duration of this background splash. So let's put it like this. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is just simply click on the splash and I'm going to click on animate. And I'm going to animate the splash with a pop. And as for the pizza, for a stamp animation. Now have a look at that. You see how easy it is guys. Now if I go ahead and I play this, you realize that it now has a stamp and a splash. Whenever the pizza goes down, the pizza will show a stamp and then you will have a splash. Now have a look at that. Very nice and very easy. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.